In any challenging situation, our scientists and innovators have always risen to the occasion and worked to mitigate the challenge. Over the last year, they have worked industriously to fight COVID-19, echoed by PM Modi in his recent address to the nation on the occasion of National Technology Day. This goes without saying that the unflinching commitment of our scientists and experts have ensured COVID care and robust medical innovation capability amidst the ongoing crisis. A leading role in this fight against COVID-19 is played by the arms of Defence Ministry.
यूँ ही ये चैलेंज कोविड-19 का इस देश के सामने आया, हमारी मिनिस्ट्री ने और हमारे साथ तीनों हमारे फोर्सेस ने, हमारी जितनी पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग्स हैं, DRDO ने ये वार फुटिंग पर काम करना प्रारंभ किया है। और आज सबको इस बात की जानकारी है कि इस समय जो सिविलियंस की मदद करने में, सिविलियन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन की मदद करने में हमारी डिफेंस मिनिस्ट्री बहुत ही अहम रोल प्ले कर रही है।
Leading India's vision of Atmanirbharta, Defence Research and Development Organization (DRDO) has designed an indigenous antibody detection kit named DIPCO-1. It is drafted for serosurveillance, which provides an estimate of antibody levels against infectious diseases. Now let's get to know more about this antibody detecting kit. DIPCO-1 can detect both spikes as well as nucleocapsid proteins of SARS-CoV-2 virus with a specificity of 99% and high sensitivity of 97%. With the help of extensive validation, the kit was developed indigenously by our scientists. It is quite apparent from the fact that DIPCO-1 was validated with more than 1,000 patient samples collected at various COVID-designated hospitals in Delhi. It is worth noting that DIPCO-1 has received approval from the Indian Council of Medical Research, Drugs Controller General of India, Central Drug Standard Control Organization, and Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, so that it can be manufactured for sale and distribution. Now, let's get an understanding regarding the significance of DIPCO-1. DIPCO-1 intends to understand COVID-19 epidemiology and assesses an individual's previous SARS-CoV-2 exposure. It is developed for the qualitative detection of IgG antibodies in human serum or plasma, targeting SARS-CoV-2 related antigens. It is interesting to note that DIPCO-1 has a shelf life of 18 months and a turnaround time of just 75 minutes, which helps in conducting the test without any cross-reactivity with other diseases. The wait is almost over, as indigenously developed DIPCO-1 will be launched in the first week of June 2021. Readily available stock at the time of launch will be 100 kits with a production capacity of 500 kits per month. It is expected to be available at about ₹75 per test. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh has also appreciated the efforts of DRDO and the industry in developing the kit at the time of need. He also mentioned that the kit will help the people in their fight against COVID-19 pandemic. Besides antibody detection kit, DRDO has worked industriously to fight COVID-19 by contributing SpO2-based oxygen supply system known as OxyCare systems, anti-COVID-19 therapeutic application of drug 2-deoxy-D-glucose, oxygen cylinders for fulfilling requirements of different hospitals, medical oxygen plant technology, and single crystal blades technology. DRDO has left no stone unturned in providing all possible assistance to the civilian administration. India's scientists have redefined the research and development of the nation. The scientific and technological prowess of the country is marked by the passion and determination of our scientific experts.
Science had been synonymous with progress and prosperity for time immemorial. At the best scientific minds of our nation, all of you are powerhouses हम knowledge, innovation and enterprise and are best equipped to drive this change.
We will be back with some more updates. Thanks for watching.